Really? What are those?
Flamingos.
Really? Anne Marie, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Are these your favorite? Are they close to your favorite? Look, one's got a yellow band, one's got an orange band, one's got a white band.
They mark them by the numbers.
Because there's so many of them that just decide they want to stick around for a while. Look at that. Glory.
Come here.
They love showing their colors.
Come here. Come
All
here.
that pinkish orange, and then the black wings underneath. This is the super social bird. I think the only bird more social than a flamingo is a what?
Penguin.
Penguins. That's right.
They're coming to me. Come here.
Wow. Beautiful eyes.
One of them just poked and I said, come here. I don't want
Yep.
you to poke. I just want you to come here.
Look at the size of those
Why are
feet.
they getting in the water? It's so cold.
Come here. They can't